Here we are this morning in Bonita Springs, Florida, on the Bonita Pines condo building. We're trying out a new system where we actually use computers to help install the roof. This is the new Rhinobond system by OMG. This is very different than most roof installations. Now, we still use your typical screws, we still use your plates, but they're a little different now. Let's come down and take a look. Here we have a plate that's been installed on the roof. This is what's anchored all of our insulation down through into the concrete deck. We then use these plates down over the insulation to hold it so we've got good coverage and good wind resistance. Then what we do, after we lay the membrane on top of it, is we take this computer machine that sends special microwaves down into the plate and creates a heat mechanism underneath here and heats the membrane to the plate. What will happen is the membrane will then weld to this plate and create a stronger bond than if we screwed through the top of the membrane with this plate. Once it's down and in place, we take one of these special magnets and we put it right on top so that it mends the membrane to the plate until it cools. When it's done, you have a perfectly welded membrane to plate that will be higher wind resistant than just about any other system out there. This is the Duralast system used down here in South Florida for increased wind resistance and longevity. I'm Ken with Kelly Roofing, and this has been the Roofing Minute.